Hello, I'm Alex from Belling, and today I'm going to show you the PV-500Neo Pro DVR with the BU-18Neo Button Kamera. First, I'm going to unpack and show you the contents of the box. Here we have the quick manuals, the DVR, the 16GB SD card, the BU-18Neo Button Kamera, a couple of buttons and screws, double-sided tape, a pouch, a charger that comes with an European adapter plug, a cable controller, additional buttons and screws, a USB cable, and a screen pen. Now I'm going to show you the DVR and how it works. Here is the PV-500 model. It has a 3-inch touchscreen. Also, here we have the SD card slot, the record and stop button, the power on and off button. On this side, you can see the LED indicators, as well as the DVR to camera cable connection. Here is the set to default button, as well as the controller cable port. Here we have the charger port, reset button, and the USB port. This DVR, like the other PV-500 models from Lawmate, comes with a standard BA-2200 battery. This battery can be charged with the DVR, it can be charged separately, or it can be upgraded to the BA-4400. In order to be able to power on the DVR, the SD card has to be inserted first. Like this. We will use this camera that comes with a bundle, the BU-18Neo Button Kamera, with the reinforced plug, so the signal does not get interrupted, and it makes sure that the cable won't be disconnected if the DVR is in a handbag, in your pocket, or under your clothes. The microphone is here, it is integrated. And, as the name suggests, the button camera can become a covered camera when you apply a button or a screw. To connect, you have to go like this and just like this. Now the camera is connected to the DVR, the SD card is inserted, and the DVR is ready to be powered on. You'll see the blue LED light up and quickly the red as well. That means that the recorder is powered on, and the red light means that the recorder has started the video. You can also see here on the red dot that the recorder is filming. Now, To set up the Wi-Fi, we have to press the power button once more for 1 second. Now the orange LED is light up. That means that you can find the DVR in the Wi-Fi section of your smartphone and set up the connection between the smartphone and the recorder. First of all, you have to download the application on your smartphone, the PV-500 Viewer app. After that, you can access the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone and you can locate the DVR. Here we have it, the PV-500Neo Pro. You will be asked to enter a password, and the standard password is 8x8. That can be changed later on. Now the DVR is connected to the application. However, we will go to the device management section and we will reselect the device, like this. Now it is ready to be accessed in the recorder settings and it will show you the live view. Here you can choose to record or to stop the recording, you can capture pictures or you can change the recording mode in the normal mode or the motion detection mode. Here you can access all the settings and change them accordingly. That is especially useful if the DVR is not in your close proximity. And here you can access the video files and the photo files that you have been recording. There are a couple of ways in which you can use this DVR. You can use it manually on the DVR itself. You can control it in the application as shown before, or you can use the controller cable. I will show you that, but I have to turn off the DVR first. The controller cable is used in the same manner that the buttons are used on the DVR. That means, if we need a couple of seconds to power on the DVR while holding the power button, we will also need a couple of seconds to power on the DVR while holding the controller cable, like this. And we have the same process here, the blue LED and the red LED. To enable the Wi-Fi, we have to hold it for 1 second, like this. This is especially useful if the DVR is in your pocket or in a handbag and you don't want to take it out. To power it off, we'll hold it again for a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to show you the menu of the DVR. Here are the recorder settings, and the next option are the video files that are being stored directly on the SD card every time the recorder is making a video, or photo files if you are making photos. Here you can choose the video resolution, the video length, the frames per second. You can set the time and date. You can choose whether you want the timestamp to be displayed or not. You can choose the language. And we have a couple of additional settings. You can choose whether you want the DVR to request a password or not in order to access it. Here you can set up the password. You can also choose whether you want to record the sound or not. Here is the LCD standby time. You can choose between 1, 3 and 5 minutes. And here we have the screen test, the touch screen test. For that purpose, I'm gonna show you the screen pen, because you can use this touchscreen with your fingers or with the screen pen that comes with the accessories. Here you can format the SD card on the DVR itself. You can see the version of the device, and you can restore the DVR to the defaults. That was the PV-500Neo Pro DVR with the BU-18Neo Button Kamera. We're gonna show you a couple of outdoor tests now. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or leave them in the comment section of the video.